Dan.
Hello, good evening. Very well, thank you. How are you?
Alright. That was like the red arrow, that mate.
It was.
Perfect synchronous.
What do they call it? The synchronised pair or something?
Yeah. What was it? The Honda C90.
Yeah.
Guys, who did that.
Purple helmet.
Yes. Awesome, mate.
Mate, the tide must have been really high yesterday. Have you seen when it's dug out the sand all the way along here?
Yeah.
And thrown it up here.
It's on my windows and back garden as well. So you're recording again.
I am.
I see you have a new device.
No, it's an old device.
You've got quite a large furry one, sir.
It's an old furry one
Right.
that I bought a long time ago to record wood turning in the shed, but never got around to it.
Oh, okay.
But I'm recording audio on my phone
Yeah.
to see what this fluffy thing does to the wind.
Oh right, so they're recording on your phone.
Yeah.
The camera's recording
Audio.
as well, and you can sync them all.
Yeah.
Whatever, yeah.
In theory.
In theory. Yeah. Is there some kind of technological device you can use to help you do that?
Yeah.
You know, one of them reel-to-reel machines and a splicer.
Yeah, and sellotape.
Yeah, that's the one. Remember that?
How much of that ridiculously long video did you get through?
All of it.
Did you?
I did fast forward quite a bit.
Yeah.
Because I remember the conversation.
Yeah.
That's weird, you know. This goes out in your head for a few days, but there's certain parts of it. Oh God, I know what we were going to say next, so we did. We did something inappropriate for the camera. He vetted the entire thing.
Yeah. There was nothing on there to vet really.
No, I was being super careful what I said.
I recalled the conversation and I knew there was nothing there.
Yeah.
Untoward.
Hey, Big Floof, where are you going? So,
Are you my only subscriber?
yeah. Well, I subscribed and liked and commented. Smash the like button.
You never did smash the like button.
I did. Did I?
No.
Well, as of yesterday, you have 17 views.
I think it's about 20 now.
Mate, who's watching that?
But I think the average view time is about 4 minutes.
All right, well I have watched it in chunks, so does that count as 17 different views?
I'm not sure.
So I've watched it on my computer, a bit on my phone and a bit on my telly. But it's the same IP address, surely?
Yeah.
So is that plus different views?
Well, the analytics tell you whether the views are...
5 or 6, 7 of them could be me.
And about 10 of them are me.
Right. So nobody's watched it then?
No.
That's great.
And if anybody has, they watched it for about a minute.
Yeah. Well, it wouldn't be that exciting, would it?
No. Not unless you were there. You had to be there, mate.
Well, yeah, mate, be there or be square, is what I say. So, anyway, it was fun. The camera really works.
Yeah.
A bit of wind noise, wasn't as bad as I was expecting in some parts.
Took a long time to upload to YouTube.
Sure. In 4K.
Yeah.
Hours.
Well, it uploads fairly quickly.
Do they then process and render it?
Yeah. So it uploaded in about an hour.
Right.
But then they process it, so they produce, from the 4K version, they produce all the other resolutions.
Sure, yeah.
So when it first went live, it was in 360p, and it was it was all pixelated. So that only took about an hour.
Right.
But then the HD and 4K versions took 2 days, about 48 hours to process. I think they put them in a queue.
Well, yeah.
And if you're a popular YouTuber with 1 million subscribers,
Get bumped up the queue,
I suspect you get bumped up the queue, yeah.
More processing time devoted to it.
But if you're a new subscriber, a new YouTuber
you peasant.
with 0 subscribers,
I don't know who you are.
They do not know who I am.
It's obvious.
Clearly. Otherwise they'd have put me up the queue, wouldn't they?
Well, obviously, yeah. It's Theodore Whiteley. Big Jack. Honest Bob and Dangerous Neil. I think two blokes on bikes, you need to change it from Neil Whiteley. You need a proper name for it. We're going to have t-shirts printed, mate, for the masses.
I was thinking of something like Evil Knievel.
I'm sure that's
Do you think the domain?
copyrighted.
Do you think the URL will be available?
Well, mate, I've got one of the, the garden hose. It's got a reel.
Yeah.
The windy handle.
Yeah.
It's on the floor and you have to wind it. Every time I do that, I think of Evil Knievel. Like this.
Oh yeah.
Remember that?
Yeah, the gyro motorbike. Yeah.
Round it up as fast as you can, let it go.
Yeah,
And it's shot off across the
and you
road.
got a ramp with it as well.
That was it.
Yeah, I had one of those. Got one for Christmas one year.
I didn't get one because I didn't get stuff like that for Christmas.
Oh.
I was an abused poor child.
Oh mate.
I know, terrible.
I'm gonna have a look on eBay, see if I can get you one.
That and a Karma Chameleon telephone from British Telecom.
Oh yeah.
One of them. No, but the Evil Knievel, somebody had one. I can't quite remember who it was. And every time I went to the house, my mum took me along. I thought, go and go there, don't go out there. We always go to a friend for a cup of coffee or something like that. But one time I found this Evil Knievel tucked behind a elaborate Christian flat. Can I say twat on YouTube?
I don't know.
No, probably not. No.
I'll have to check the guidelines.
You'll have to bleep that out for your YouTube, mate. So anyway, I found this thing, and just all I wanted to do was go to that house, just begging me, Mummy, when are you going for a cup of coffee with Auntie Heather? That was it. Auntie Heather.
Auntie Heather.
And I think it must have been their son who had this Evil Knievel. And he'd probably grown out of it and wasn't interested in it. I'm fascinated. One paints off their skirting boards. Fascinated.
Thank you. I'd have nicked it.
Mate, I was a child, I didn't think about it. I was a well brought up and well mannered child, I'll have you know.
I think I thought more about theft when I was a child than I do now. Everything was mine.
I do think about staging a violent overtaking of the government. Oh, mate.
Oh yeah, God, yeah. I can't even watch the news at the moment.
I'm actually very concerned. I have a fair bit of leverage finance.
Aye.
I haven't slept for about 3 nights.
Hey?
I haven't slept for about 3 nights.
Have you not?
No. I'm quite worried.
This interest rates you're more worried about, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Well, the Bank of England aren't putting them up yet.
No. November,
Maybe.
maybe. But
Because they've done this,
the Chancellor's had his knuckles wrapped like pretty much everybody around the world.
the Bank of England have bought some bonds, haven't they?
Yeah.
Well, they're buying loads of bonds.
Yeah.
So quantitative easing by another name, which,
They're printing bonds instead of printing money.
yeah, which might mean that they don't put interest rates up. I'm just looking forward to the day my mum has to come and live with me.
Yes, I'm sure that'll be great for you, mate. How long did she last time?
About a month.
Where are we going, by the way?
I don't know. This way.
You're in charge, mate.
Am I? Why? How come?
Because you said come to my house for 5:30.
Well, there's only one way to go, isn't there, really? Go up the pavement, mate.
Yeah.
But at least if my mum came to live with me,
Yeah.
you could have lots more rent.
Oh, that'd be nice. Yeah. How long before you kill her?
Until she paid the rent. A year in advance.
Anyway, we're starting market stalls tomorrow.
Oh, ah, yeah. Roll up, roll up. Get your pots and pans here.
Run! Run! Fly!
Didn't want to fly, did it?
No, so we went on Saturday to have a look, and it was really quiet.
Yeah.
But they only just reopened. And she said the first real bookings are this Thursday.
I thought it was for like crafters or...
No, there's two different ones. There's a craft there, actually in the grounds of the old prison.
Yeah.
The Gaul. How do you pronounce that?
I do not know.
G-A-O-L. Gaul?
Oh, jail.
Gaul, Gaul, yeah. Anyway, so that's on a Sunday, and that really is aimed at proper crafters, people who make their own stuff.
Yeah.
There's quite a buzz in the community about it. It's apparently quite busy. You know, people have made their own pots and socks and I don't know, whatever.
Coasters.
Yeah.
People who make coasters mostly. And cross-stitch pictures.
Yeah. Anything that can be considered proper craft.
Knitted babywear.
Yeah. And I think there's like small brewery beers and cheese and quite a nice little community. Quite like the look at that.
Dangerous here. Is there any trouble with coming out of this time?
Yeah, that's the craft. But it's an outdoor market which really doesn't appeal to me over the coming winter months.
No.
So they've just refreshed and reopened the indoor market. And they're just now trying to get people to come back to that one. So that's not craft, it can be anything.
Yeah.
Cheers, mate. So Rebecca wanted to do it, and she's heard about it. went and had a look, met the lady. It's a non-profit organisation run by the private company who's been employed by the council.
Right.
If it makes sense.
Yeah.
So they're paying out some probably quite big salaries.
Yeah. Thank you.
Right. Go on, Felipe.
What are you doing?
What you're doing? But anyway, we're giving it a go. So, primarily for the better reason.
Does it cost anything?
15 quid. It's not bad. Indoor, it's got heating, it's got facilities.
You got broadband?
Yeah.
Have you got a PayPal machine?
No, we need to look into that. I'll probably get a card reader.
You got a PayPal account, haven't you?
I have.
A business account?
No.
Convert it to a business account, get everything verified,
Yeah.
then you can buy a PayPal machine directly from them.
It's a PayPal machine.
It's about 50 quid, I think. Well,
Yeah, okay. Well, there's other options.
there are other options, yeah.
What I was looking at was Square. It's another, which is 16 quid for that card machine.
Right.
And then the processing fee on every transaction after that. And the app sits on your phone. And you just connect using Bluetooth.
Yeah, you just need a Wi-Fi connection as well.
Yeah, well there is one in the hall, so we have to check that out. So we're just going to go and try it tomorrow and see what happens.
Because nobody carries cash anymore, do they?
That is the thing I was worried about. We didn't have time to sort it out. So we'll pay by PayPal or I don't know. We'll work it out.
You'll have to take checks. I mean,
Nobody's even coming to check. Apart from your mother.
I haven't even got a checkbook.
Anyway, so the thought was, well, the Bex is there. I'll no doubt go and support it. If two of us there, we might as well have two stalls.
Yeah. Oh, you're having two stalls?
Yeah. So yeah, so two stalls. Might as well. I think you can cover mine and vice versa.
Right.
And so we'll see. You know, like I know there's two stalls total, but we've already paid one set of fuel.
Yeah.
Blah blah blah. So
Yeah.
when she's out doing that all day, I'll be sat doing that with the bucket. So might as well be productive.
Indeed.
So we'll see. It'll be a day out.
So are you going to model some of your fancy dress outfits then?
No, mate, most precisely on ladies.
I mean, really, you should be in fancy dress, shouldn't you?
I should be. I'm not brave enough. I might be. I've got a large pirate outfit. I might try that. Oh, thank you.
Which way are you going, Ruby?
Manager. So, yeah, so that was. Don't expect much tomorrow because the market's only just started to get going. Given the current financial downturn, it should be.
Oh, it's a week.
FNL.
It's a weekday as well, isn't it?
Yeah, but they do Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Right.
So we get a feel for it might end up being 2 or 3 days. The eBay shop had been picking up. We're trying to get some nice reviews. And then since the government's announcement, we fell off a cliff.
Yeah.
Pretty going through one gone.
Yeah. I'm getting orders from America,
Well, it's great.
but that's about it at the moment.
Yeah. Well, they've got a great buying opportunity, haven't they?
Ooh, what's going on here? Oh, nothing.
Pine needles. Oh, that's not nice. Tell the viewers how piney it smells.
It smells very piney.
Aye. Like a bottle of pine domestos. Other brands are available, obviously.
It's weird, I used to get, you know, before Ukraine
Yeah.
and the gas delivery problem to Europe, 80% of my business used to come from Germany and Austria.
Right.
The last 3 months I think I've had one order from Germany.
Wow. I'll push you, Rebecca.
That's where all my turnover's gone.
Yeah.
I've lost the European market completely.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers, thanks.
Well, your stuff is quite cheap in America now. We might actually lost a bit of advertising. Who's a famous TV chat show host? Oh, I'll tell you what, there's a Welsh guy who lives in America now, the fat guy. What's his name?
Oh, I know, the one who does...
The body shaming, should I? It's terrible. That's terrible.
I know what you mean. The one who does carpool karaoke.
Yeah. The annoying one.
Yeah,
He's Welsh.
I know, he looks Welsh.
Send him one of your sticks.
Thank you. Thank you.
Send him a set with a challenge.
Mate, you won't even know what it is.
Oh, you'll have to do a demonstration video for him, mate. Mate, you can end up on American chat show.
I can't do a demonstration video, I don't know how to do it.
Mate, you should be an expert. You should be the world's authority.
I know how to make them, I don't know how to use them.
The world's authority and everything else. Oh. Jeez.
Mate, I'm knackered.
Tell you what I noticed the other day.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you and I can't see anything. Because of the sun.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. I noticed the other day, I do a lot of riding one-handed, turning around talking to you. It's fascinating watching yourself, isn't it?
You do a lot of freewheeling as well. You do a lot of freewheeling as well.
I know, I'm waiting for you all the time.
You're in the wrong gear.
Right, drop to gear.
Right.
Keep your legs going.
Now you have to pedal.
That pattern such. Or cadence. Anything else at Neil?
Cadence, I think.
I look to you for guidance and advice on everything that I need to know in the world.
I don't know why.
Well, you explained how big the universe was on our last episode, didn't you?
I didn't. I just said it was big.
I said, how big is it? You said very.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah. Well, it's not technically wrong, is it?
No.
Unless it's all a lie. And it's just painted on the sphere, it's around us.
You've gone up a gear again, haven't you?
There's nothing out. There's nothing the other side of that.
You've gone up a gear again, haven't you?
No. Yeah.
See, what you do is you rely on your motor. So you go up a gear, you pedal a couple of times, your motor shoots you forward and you freewheel.
Tell you what you do, mate, you wobble a lot.
I just pedal.
Have you seen the view from your cockpit?
Yours is the same.
You're wobbling everywhere.
So do you.
It's straight as an adder.
Every bike video I've ever watched has wobbly handlebars.
No, mate.
It's the nature of bikes. Thank you.
You're worse than I am.
It's this bike. On the stability scale of 1 to 10, it's like 2.
Right, the notes is completely off now. You can't move.
I'm not telling you to turn it off. Oh, sail. Did you hear how annoying your rear hub is?
No. I was looking at the bed, so I got to turn right down.
Alright. All you can hear, all the way through the video, all you can hear is your rear hub.
Well, mate, can you not filter it out? Filter it out with technology?
No.
Technology, as we say in Wales. Quite a quick sail. To be fair, I've done, that's my third one today. So maybe it's picking up again.
There is. Oh,
Go on, you go ahead, mate.
it's a nice dog.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks. My handlebars wobble around in the video.
Yeah.
Because it's stabilised. What you would see normally is the steady handlebars and the world bouncing around.
That's very true. But presumably, if you nail your camera to your handlebars, that should even worse.
No, because then you wouldn't see the handlebars.
That's true. You've got to get a big fisheye lens.
So you're seeing the handlebars flopping around because the background's stabilised.
So as that happened, there's a little man inside on some springs and some bungee cord. You can't stay very static. Probably.
Given how little I understand about it, that could be true.
That could well be true. I think it's unlikely. I mean, with my lack of education and knowledge, I probably know that it's done digitally.
It's computerised.
Yeah.
Well, it's not optical. Some of the big lenses for cine cameras and DSLRs and mirrorless cameras have optical stabilisation. So one of the lenses inside the lens is on a gyro, on a gimbal. It's on a gimbal, like the cooker in your yacht.
Yeah. Yeah, but the gimbal, cooker in your yacht, gimbal in one plane, not two.
Yeah, well, I think those lenses gimbal in 3 axes or more.
It can't be 3, it's going to be 2.
No.
X and Y. Otherwise it's got to be able to effectively go up and down and side to side, and variation for those.
Yeah, you got tilt forward, tilt left. I don't know. They advertise them as 3 axes, so I assume they are.
Yeah, no, thank you. Superior knowledge.
Ugh. Yeah. Where are you going? Hey?
No,
No, I have no battery.
right, turn around then.
Car coming there. You know what I want now? You know what I really want now?
Sorry.
Yeah.
I mean, the smell is gorgeous.
Smells good, doesn't it? Yes, it's on me. That's on the right stretch. That's on the right stretch. Hold this back. Just go check it. I need some ragged jeans. What's it called? Yeah. I think it's got a good one. I think it's got a good one. And obviously, yeah. Fantastic. Where are we going?
Down through the village. Follow that Mustang.
Oh, up the back way, you mean?
Yeah. I think that's your Peter's.
Who?
Your Peter's. You know, it's my Peter's wheel arm, Cinder.
Oh, yeah.
He's back in hospital now. Rhyl by the looks of it. He's been suffering from leukemia for many years.
Yeah.
Terrible disease.
Yeah, it's not always fatal, is it?
No. He's been in and out of remission. They've really managed him, and to be fair to Glenfield Hospital Cancer Centre, they've done a hell of a job.
Yeah.
The family
There's lots of different types, though, isn't there?
yeah.
Some of them you can live with for decades.
Something else. Left. Then Lancaster.
Yeah. Hi.
Oh, and there's a nice walking dog for a refreshing pint of beer. And only it wasn't £37 a pint.
Eggs. Keep seeing those. Keep meaning to buy some. Never got £2.
I've got £2 on me.
Nah.
Mate, I've got £2.
Yeah, let's go and get some eggs. I can have them for my tea.
The Rhuddlan egg.
They've been there about 2 weeks, though. Egg money, yeah, on the shed wall.
£2 with your finest.
I've still got my flask in there.
Proper mucky ones as well.
Oh, cool. Oh, which ones to have?
At the end.
Oh, yeah. A bit too complicated for me.
They look like some duck eggs in there, potentially. The white ones.
Oh,
The hens eggs.
yeah. I've still got my flask in here from the last time we went. That'll be minging now, won't it?
Them people need to throw them away, you go on Jeff's website and get another one.
Do you think they'll survive?
Yeah. Maybe yours
Duck eggs, £2.50.
Oh, mate, they're in competition. It's like Rhyl and Aldi next door to each other. Mate, they'll be sabotaging each other in the night. There'll be an egg war.
Lidl and Aldi, that's more like Lidl and Sainsbury's.
Yeah. Mate, it's no yoke.
Da-da-boom.
Yeah.
I'm not shelling out for duck's eggs anyway.
Definitely thinking of 4 egg-based onions. Concentrating on all this traffic there at the same time. Tells me.
These roads are getting worse.
They are.
I've got my eggs.
Well, I've got a mountain bike now.
I've got my eggs to think about.
Right. And you escape your testicles, apparently.
Indeed. That's why I've stood up.
Go down the river.
No. Do you know why?
No battery.
Because, well, yeah, no battery, and the wind is coming directly down the river. And the sun. So, as much as I like riding down the river, tonight is not that night.
Well, we do need different routes
I know.
for your massive viewership. Is it not a challenge yet, mate? But I want to push that. You've got to push it with me.
We need destinations.
Yeah, I can't be shelling out all this without thinking. I'm shelling out all this money for eggs, mate.
Ideally, for videos, you need a destination.
So we've got a telephone call coming in.
Do you want to stop? Stop if you want. Yeah, ideally you need a destination.
Yeah, home.
Something to talk about.
Oh, it's got a destination. It's home, mate.
No, you know what I mean. And on the way to the destination, you need an obstacle or a difficulty that needs to be overcome.
Sounds like you're writing a novel. So it's a filmmaking process.
You've got to build drama.
There's not a lot of drama between middle-aged, old fat, one fat bloke with a bundle, riding e-bikes.
You can make it. You can make the drama.
Go! Mate, you swift the wrong way, you plunker. You gave her a fright.
I was teaching her a lesson.
Mate, you gave her a fright. Well, I'll tell you what, mate, we'll wear capes and set ourselves up as crime fighters.
Okay. Do you know anyone that sells fancy dress outfits?
Yeah, mate. Funnily enough.
Car.
Vampire cape. I've got a nice range of vampire capes, haven't we?
Yeah, cape's a cape, isn't it?
I vote to stop the crime.
Car, come in.
Yeah. I've sold quite a lot of fake blood this week.
Hey,
I've sold quite a lot of fake blood in the last 7 days.
it's not even Halloween.
I know, but people are buying it.
Why?
Like, we're out of stock.
That worries me, that.
People actually organise me. And 19% of my market, I'm not going to tell you what they are in case the competitors watch the video, which is very unlikely. Right? 90% of my market is female. Very clearly female market.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, fancy dresses, I'd have said that, yeah.
I got it right. I went predominantly female, got a lot of male actors in there, there's a lot of interest. So yeah, but male by last minute.
Yeah.
I think it's really happening in September. Anyway, so loads of paper, I've not made any money on it. And what I have done is increase the sales quite a lot. I've got loads of extra, a load of extra reviews is a bit over-egging it. A handful of extra reviews. It all helps the profile, doesn't it? Car. So now they've upped my liberty dramatically yet again the first time in 6 weeks. Right, you've got to do it near enough to yourself.
I know that feeling.
You have to make it, don't you?
Yeah. Bloody wind.
Somebody bought a cheap fake blood for £2.49, like quite a long review. Saying great service, great product, swift delivery, very pleased, definitely buying again.
What's it made out of, your fake blood?
Mainly water, I think, with probably some guar gum and a bit of colour.
I was just wondering if it had some hallucinogenic in it or something.
Not I'm aware of.
It's a strange time of year to be buying fake blood.
Well, it's quite a few weeks too early. But then, some of the costumes, I'm, not really quite sure. I saw a couple of cowgirls. And it's airline pilot, airline hostess.
Yeah, that's bedroom stuff.
I don't require the nature of my private career.
That's sexy times, that is.
Very well be.
But Cowgirl's an airline pilot, of course it is. What else could it be?
I don't know. Thing in fancy dress. I run a policy of strict client confidentiality. The conversation's flowing a little easier this week. I was worried the other night with the camera, thinking, oh,
Yeah, but
vulnerable.
wait till I mic you up, mate.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's always, you don't hear what I say with your breath.
Think it, don't say it.
Very difficult, mate. I've known you for how long?
20 years.
And we have very open conversation. We like all the topics.
All the topics. Whether we know anything about them or not.
Well, I know very little about a lot of things.
So, you know, I was talking about 4K cameras,
Yeah.
and I said most cine cameras are 4K.
There must be way higher than that.
Yeah, you can get 8K and 12K.
Yeah, I've heard about
You can get 8K and 12K. But I was right about cinemas. They project in 4K. Yeah. Some of them are 2.5K.
Hey mate, let's get Rhyl and Dean to sponsor.
Yeah. Yeah, I was reading that most cinemas are, a lot of them still project in 2.5K.
Really?
Yeah. It all depends on the size of the screen.
Well, I mean, obviously at some point they've gone from film to digital, but don't some things to film.
There's no comparison.
There's some old stuff, you know, kind of like
There's no comparison. The film resolution is
way back.
miles higher.
In every single frame is like perfect. It should be very clear.
But it's the resolution of chemical film technology is miles better than anything digital. That's what they still shoot some movies on film. Yeah.
The downside, you use films, you have 17 takes, so you use...
Yeah, but they still shoot movies on film.
Do they then?
Yes. Some directors just still prefer it.
Yeah. Well, I mean, there's a big move back to sort of old-fashioned, oh God, that's not the right word, but not digital, not analog.
Yeah.
So kind of records, LP, vinyl.
Yeah. But film in the cinema world has never really gone away. You know, at one time it was all shot on film, but now it's probably a small percentage, but a lot of recent movies were shot on film. Well, of course, they shoot it on film and then they scan it, and the edit's all digital. Have you had any of your slow gin yet?
what?
Have you slow gin yet?
Not tried it. Shake it every couple of days. I've done a damson gin now as well. I went to my brothers and they had well, they're really ripe ones on the tree.
Right.
What we're going to be going through there because it's something small freezer from last year, but I thought maybe even the year before as well.
What, put them in the freezer, you say?
Yeah. Well, he was trying to become self-sufficient, wasn't he?
Oh, was he?
There's a utopian farmer Giles Green with a small holding.
Shit.
He's got three chickens and a veg patch. So he's...
He didn't have much luck with his last batch of chickens.
Yeah, well, it's done alright. I think the net cost with all the things he's bought to
So, a quid,
stay in this natural lifestyle.
a quid an egg or something.
Not more than.
Oh. Right, I'm not coming all the way over there with you this time.
No, well, viewers might appreciate a shorter video because
Yeah.
don't see some of the same stuff over again.
I'm going to cut this one up a bit as well.
Yeah, well, we need new routes too.
Need what?
New routes.
Yes.
So you're just going to sex it up and show the exciting bits.
I'm just going to show you talking shit. Yeah.
Oh well. Alright mate, good
I
to see
do.
you.
You too.
With the cobwebs out of my head a bit.
Yeah. I'll give you a shout. I'll just see what the weather's doing.
Yeah, well, I'll cook the fair tomorrow.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you might. Yeah.
I might live stream from that.
That'll be exciting. Do it. Do it on Facebook.
If it works, then
Just go live on Facebook.
Yeah. If you tell a few things, or what we do Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah.
Oh no, sorry, Friday, Saturday.
Yeah. Well,
Got to do something.
let me know.
Yep. All right, mate. Take it easy.
Say bye to the viewer.
Goodbye, viewer.
Say bye to yourself.
See you, Rob. Yeah. See you, Fat Bob. I am the only viewer.
You are.
But I think on different devices. You think it's good.
Cheers, mate. See ya.